Hello from a rather empty Navona Square in Rome, Italy. You know, in Italy you have just a few sacred things. Wine, of course, the olive oil is another thing, but maybe one of the most important things for an Italian is, you guessed it, the pizza. Recently, Rome has known a small turbulence in the form of a revolutionary pizza automatic machine. You gotta have some nerve to take this sacred thing, which is the Italian pizza, and automate it in this mechanical way. You just don't do it. But the question must be asked, and it is: automatic pizza machine, is it good? Is it worthy to be called a pizza? So join me in the quest for the automatic pizza machine here in Rome, and together we will find out, is it a disgrace or is it a divine, beautiful thing? Let's find out. Yeah, I wonder if we'll find any Italians there. Ciao! I wonder if we'll find any Italians there, and I wonder what they'll say. Like, is it just tourists and stupid people like me there next to the machine? Or are actual Italians doing it? And if so, would they tell it to their friends? Because if they will, they might get boycotted or something. Here is the bus. Okay, let's hop on it.
It's not possible to take on board, okay? Thank you.
So they told me to shut down the camera. Apparently you're not allowed to shoot inside the bus, which is ridiculous. Okay, and we reached our station. I'm personally pretty curious to see if there will be people there or will it be completely empty. Okay, I see it in the distance. There is a guy there. One guy ordering his fresh pizza from the automatic machine. Question is he an Italian or is he a tourist? Salve.
Salve.
Sei di qua? Sei di Roma?
Sono di Roma, sì, sì. Ma non è per me, è per mio figlio, però.
Ah! Ma lui ha chiesto specificamente questo?
Voleva assaggiare sta cosa, sì.
Allora, in bocca al lupo.
Cremi.
Cosa ne dici?
Vediamo, ma sembrerebbe bello, adesso vediamo. Speriamo sia buono.
Ciao. So, this is it. It's like a hole in the wall, essentially. So, we have the flour, the dough, the tomato, and the topping. And here you have all the different parts that create the pizza. Here is where you actually choose which pizza you're gonna get. So I can see you have 4 options. So the classic margherita, then you have quattro formaggi, 4 cheeses, very classic taste. Then you have the salami picante, which is basically pepperoni pizza, and of course the pancetta, which is the pig's belly. Okay, so which one will we take? I think we're gonna go with salami, right? It's the best one. Okay, and you can see the machine is lighting up. It's ready to go. Now I'm gonna choose my pizza, and I'm gonna go with the salami. Okay, things are starting to move. So we can see the dough is being created. Very cool. You have the powder coming from here, the flour, and then the water coming from here, and this thing shakes up. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And here's the dough. We have a dough. Now, oh, where did it go? Where did it go? Not sure. Oh, it's right here downstairs. Now it's being pushed to become dough of a pizza. Next thing we know, it should pop right here in the oven. Here it is. Here it is. There we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at it spins like a roulette. Here it goes. Here it goes away. Now it should pop right here. Here it is. Oh my god. Oh god, I cannot believe it. It's here. This is the pizza. This is probably the coolest thing I ever witnessed. It's like witnessing the birth of a child. The dough is pretty weird. It's not like the regular pizza dough that you eat here in Italy. Yeah, it's not that good. Not that good, I must admit. Salami is pretty good, but salami is always good, right? You can't go wrong with salami. I don't know, guys. It's a pretty disappointing experience. But I guess that's the thing about pizzas, that in the end of the day, if you take dough, some dough, put some sauce on it, some cheese, even the cheapest cheese and cheapest sauce, it'd still be edible. That's the magic of pizza making. Will Italians eat it? No. But pizza is a pizza, right? La prima volta?
Sì.
E cosa ne dici? Per un italiano fa un po' schifo, direi, no?
Però anche le cose che fanno schifo sono buone.
Questo è vero. If you can come to Rome and eat a real pizza, you should. You really should. There are amazing pizzas here. But if you find yourself in need for an instant pizza from the pizza machine, I think what our friend said sums it all. Some things are a bit disgusting, but even disgusting could be a little fun sometimes, right? Okay, see you next time.